have started doing mechanical and electrical services fit out in the station, along with our testing and commissioning activities that's happening on site. My name is Mehul Raj Sinha and I'm the area engineer for Boggo Road Station. In the platform level, as you can see, we have started doing our wall cladding installation, which is our signature gold color. Along with that, we have started doing a terrazzo tiling in the northern end of the station box, which is ongoing currently. Besides this, we have got all our 14 escalators in, and we are currently doing the testing and commissioning works on those escalators. Some big milestones that we have achieved this year is the completion of the superstructure, which is one of the biggest milestones for us. Besides that, we got our goods lift and passenger lift in the station box, which is ongoing with testing and commissioning. Completion of superstructure has allowed us to demob the tower cranes, which is going to be a next step towards the start of our station public realm works outside the station area. Besides this, we have finished our internal GFRC installation, along with our artwork installation has been completed as well. This has been done at mezzanine level, which is our B3 level, and this is one of the biggest milestones that we have achieved this year. We have also started doing lots of mechanical and electrical services installation as well. One key milestone that we would be aiming to achieve by the end of this year is the completion of station's canopy structure steel. That's going to be one of the biggest milestones, and that's going to transform the look of the station externally, I would say. And I have been working on this project for the last 3 years, so this is one of my dream come true when I get the first train from here. Thank you.